This AI just turned a messy folder into a system that organizes itself every month, prepared research for my meetings before I even opened them, and audited a full website in minutes, and I barely touched anything. This is what it looks like when AI stops being a tool and starts working like a real teammate. Most AI tools actually make things more complicated. You still have to tell them what to do, check their work, and handle everything yourself. But sometimes, a tool comes along that makes things easier instead of harder. Claude Cowork is one of those tools. It's not something you have to constantly guide. It works more like a helpful teammate. You give it a task, it works on your files, connects to your apps, and returns with the job done. Most videos about this tool stop at basic things, renaming a few PDFs or organizing a desktop folder. That's fine, but it barely scratches the surface. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways I'm using it to replace real work, step by step. Before the demos, a quick orientation. Claude Cowork lives inside the Claude desktop app. Here's how to get it. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. In the bottom left corner of the page, you'll see a download option for the desktop app. Click it, choose your operating system, Mac or Windows, download the installer, and open it like any other app. Sign in with your existing Claude account and you're in. When it opens, you'll see 3 tabs at the top: Chat, Cowork, and Code. Chat is the Claude most people already know. Code is worth exploring on its own. Today is about Cowork. Instead of answering questions, Cowork executes outcomes. You describe what you want done, it builds a plan, spins up parallel subagents when the job is large enough, and hands you finished work. It reads and writes files directly on your computer. It connects to your real apps. It browses the web on its own. You need a paid account, Pro or Max. Cowork is not on the free plan. First problem, the file graveyard. You've got a folder somewhere full of screenshots, reference images, ads, thumbnails saved for inspiration. All named something useless like IMG_4421 or Screenshot 2024-11. You've been meaning to clean it up. You never do. Eventually, it's 300 files deep and completely unusable. Here's how to fix it once, and never deal with it again. Before you run anything, always duplicate your working folder first. Cowork writes to real files. Making a duplicate file takes 5 seconds and will save you at some point. Point Cowork at your duplicate folder by clicking the plus button and selecting the folder. Then type this prompt. In this folder are hundreds of screenshots and images I've saved for inspiration. YouTube thumbnails, ads, and social media posts. They are completely unorganized and have meaningless file names. Rename every file with a descriptive title that makes it clear what it shows at a glance. Then create a logical subfolder structure based on content type or visual style, and move each file to the right place. Finally, generate a markdown index file listing every subfolder and its contents. Cowork will likely ask 1 or 2 clarifying questions first. Something like, should folders be organized by platform, by visual style, or by content type? I am answering those questions first. Then it starts. Watch the progress checklist in the top right corner of the screen. For a large folder, Cowork automatically splits the work across multiple parallel agents, each processing a batch simultaneously. You don't configure this. It decides on its own that the job is big enough and handles it. When it finishes, every file has a human-readable name. Every file is inside a properly labeled subfolder. There might be 10 or 12 subfolders. In this case, there is one for ad creative, one for banners, one for social posts, and one for thumbnails. Files named things like Apple Launch Ad 1 instead of ad_creative_Apple_launch_V14453. 300 invisible files become actually browsable and useful. Now let's go further. Right there in the same session, type this. Run this same organization process automatically on the 1st of every month. Cowork confirms the schedule, and it will appear both in the connectors panel on the right side of your screen and in the chat box. From that point, just drop new files into the folder whenever you save them. The cleanup runs on autopilot. One thing to know, the desktop app needs to be open when the schedule triggers. If it's closed, the task queues and fires the next time you launch it. One organization session, one follow-up prompt, and you never have to touch that folder again. Cowork only accesses the specific folder you pointed at, not your whole computer. That said, be intentional about what goes in your working folders. Contracts, passwords, and sensitive documents should stay out of it entirely. Cowork has guardrails and will pause before taking consequential actions, but your best protection is your own setup. Scoped folders, duplicated originals, and a quick review before anything goes permanent. Now here's where things get genuinely different. Your calendar right now stores appointments. That's all it does. What if every meeting could contain real work instructions, and Cowork could execute them automatically before you walk in? Here's the setup. First, you need the Claude in Chrome extension installed in your browser. Open Chrome, search for Chrome Claude on Google, and go to the official website. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the install. Return to the Claude desktop app. In Cowork, click the plus button and go to Connectors. Ensure your Gmail and Google Calendar are connected. If not, connect them first. Then, turn on the toggle for Claude. Everything will now be linked. Here's a real example. I have a weekly meeting tomorrow called Competitor Check, a recurring session where I review what other creators in the AI news space have been publishing. And I want to have actual notes before the meeting, not just intentions. In the Google Calendar notes for that meeting, I wrote, "Before this meeting, search AI news on YouTube. Filter the 5 most watched AI news videos published in the last 30 days. For each one, note the channel name, the video topic, the view count, and what specifically made the hook or title work. Compile everything into a clean one-page briefing document I can read before the meeting starts." I go back to Cowork, I type one prompt. Check my Google Calendar for the meetings tomorrow. Read the notes inside each one, and follow all the instructions you find there. That's it. Cowork finds the Competitor Check meeting, reads the notes, and immediately opens Chrome. When Cowork is working, Chrome shows an orange highlight around it. You can see this in the screen recording, searching for recent AI news, navigating real videos, pulling view counts, reading titles, and organizing the findings, all without any additional prompts from me. By the time it's done, there's a properly formatted one-page briefing sitting in my working folder. Real web research, real data, structured and ready to read before I open the meeting. The pattern is the point here, not just this one example. Every single meeting on your calendar can have different instructions sitting in its notes. One gets a competitor analysis, one gets a slide deck, one gets a client email drafted. You write the notes once when you create the meeting. Cowork handles the prep every time it comes around. This one is for anyone running a website, a product page, or doing client work where someone needs to understand why a page isn't converting. A real conversion audit normally takes hours and real expertise. Cowork does it from one prompt and hands you a structured document you can actually present or act on. Since we've already installed the Claude Chrome extension, I won't repeat those steps here. If you missed it, you can go back to the previous step to learn how to activate it. Now, to run an audit for a B2C brand called Bloom, I use the following prompt. Go to www.bloom.com. Run a full conversion audit on this landing page. Review every major section: headline, navigation, hero, social proof, call to action buttons, and the registration or checkout flow. Give me a conversion score out of 10. List every issue you found ranked by how much it impacts results. Then include a quick win checklist that clearly separates changes I can make this week from bigger improvements that need more planning. Deliver everything as a formatted Word document. Cowork opens Chrome and navigates to the live page. Again, you'll see the orange highlight on Chrome as Cowork starts working. It then captures all the page content to generate the report. One of the best things about Cowork is that you can follow every step live in the dashboard on the right-hand panel. After capturing the content and completing the analysis, it begins creating the report, which takes about a minute. The output is a well-formatted Word document. At the top, you get an executive summary, followed by a conversion score. Each page section is first evaluated in a summary table, then explored in detail throughout the report. Next, it highlights issues ranked by impact and finishes with a quick win checklist, the most immediately actionable part. Normally, this kind of work takes days and costs hundreds of dollars. Now, you can get it done in just a couple of minutes. You can take it straight into a client meeting or share it with stakeholders. You don't even need to reformat it. That's 3 use cases, and there are plenty more worth covering. If you want me to keep going, type "continue" in the comments. And tell me what kind of cases you want to see next. File management, client deliverables, content creation, research workflows, or something else entirely. That feedback shapes the next video. See you there.